Hi guys, here are some interesting facts about the sea birds. Sea birds
going.
are known for their incredible long distance migrations. Some species travel thousands of miles between breeding and feeding grounds every year. Seabirds have special glands near their eye that allow them to excrete excess salt from their bodies, enabling them to drink salt water and extract fresh water from it. Seabirds have diverse diet, ranging from fish and squid to crustaceans, planktons, and even carrions. They have strong wings for efficient gliding and soaring, allowing them to cover vast different distances with minimal efforts. Seabirds exhibit various forms of parental care, including shared incubation of eggs, feeding of chicks, protection from predator. Some seabirds species such as albatross and diving petrels are excellent divers capable of plunging to great depths in search of food. Thanks for watching.